Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to deposit Tether TRC20 in the FXTM Broker. You enter the My Money section and click on Deposit Funds. In this section you select your account. You enter the type of deposit, the desired amount, and in this section, click on Deposit. You click on the USDT section, enter the deposit section, enter the payment system, along with the transfer amount and the desired cryptocurrency, which we have selected TRC20. And finally, you click on Confirm. You view the payment information and click on Submit. You scan the specified barcode with your wallet. And note that the minimum deposit is $10. And as you can see, this amount has been added to our account. And note that the broker FXTM charges a fee of $3. And friends, to check the status of your transactions, you click on Transaction History, and as you can see, this amount has been deposited into our account. Good luck!